how to fix this page isn't available right now on Facebook. So as you guys can see over here, we are going to fix this problem right now. Do you get me? We are going to fix this problem right now. So just watch the video from the beginning to the end and I will teach you how to fix this problem. So guys, just watch the video from the beginning to the end and I'm gonna teach you how to fix this problem. So without wasting much time, let's start. And please bear in mind, don't skip any part of this video. Just watch it from the beginning to the end and you are going to what to understand everything, or else if you skip you are going to miss out a step and it's going to create a problem and maybe it might not fix it for you. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. So when you get to your phone menu, search for Play Store. So when you see Play Store, click on it. So when you click on the Play Store app, this is what you're gonna see. So what you have to do next is for you to click over here at the search bar over here. So tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do is to search for Facebook, or you can even type in FB. So when you type in FB, just search and you're going to see this app. So guys, we have Facebook and Facebook Live. You can choose any of them. For me, in this video, I'm going to use Facebook, which is the first app over here. With this app, this is what I'm going to work with because I have not installed this one. So you can use any of them. So guys, just click on the one that you feel like using. So when you click on it, what you're going to see is you're going to see this. So when you see this, just tap on it for it to update. So you have to update it. So let's click on the update section. So when you click on the update section, you have to wait for it to update. So guys, let's wait for it to update itself. So as you can see, it's now around 0%, and the size of the Facebook app is 48.22 megabyte. Okay, it's now at 8%. So guys, be patient. I want you to watch everything. I don't want to, take any part of this video out. I want you to see everything so that you guys will understand everything when you are doing it on your own. Do you get me? And also don't forget to smash on the subscribe button, like the video if you are interested in this video, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms for them to also get the knowledge of this. Thanks very much if you do this. So let's continue. As you can see over here, we have 52% and it has now moved to 55%. So let's wait for it to reach 100%. So guys, exercise patient. It's going to finish right now. So when you want to, give a review or give a comment about the app or the Facebook app, what you have to do is to just click on some of the stars. You can click on one of the stars, or you can change 2, 3, 4, or 5, and after that write something, and Facebook is going to see that and reply you later when they see that. So you can also check their developer contact for you to visit their website, or you can also email them on facebook.android@fb.com. And the address is also here, and they have policies, which is their privacy policy. You can also click on at that section to see all their policies. If you want to know much about the app, what you have to do is just click on about this app. So when you click on the about this app, this where you are going to see more information about your Facebook app, how to use it, and also the website and other features and about the app. So guys, this is what I wanted to show you. Let's check whether it's done. So boom, as you can see, it have been already updated. So what you have to do is go to your phone menu when you have finished with the update. So go to your phone menu and search for your settings. So when you see your settings like this, this app. So when you see this app, what you have to do is to just click on it. So tap on it like this. So when you tap on it, what you have to do next is to go to apps, or some phones are apps and notification. So just click on apps and notification, or if you don't have apps and notification, it might be apps, so just click on it. Or if you can't see apps and notification or anything, just tap over here and just type in apps and search for it. So when you search for it, you are going to see it below. Then when you see it, you just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to load like this. So when it brings you here, what you have to do next is to click on see all apps. So when you click on see all apps, you have to scroll down and search for Facebook. So as you guys can see over here, this is my Facebook app. So after updating it, what you have to do is to click on the Facebook app. So when you click on it like this, what you have to do is to click on the storage and cache. So when you click on the storage and cache, what you have to do next is to clear cache. So click on the clear cache for it to clear cache. After that, click on the clear storage. So click on it and you're going to see this delete app data. Then you click on OK. So everything is going to delete. After that, when you go back, what you have to do next is for you to click on the force stop over here. So click on the force stop. When you click on the force stop, it's going to ask you if you force stop an app, it may behave. So misbehave. Do you get me? So just click on it. So when you click on it, OK, what you have to do is to go back. So after doing all this, just go to Play Store or go to your phone menu, then search for Facebook app. So when you see the Facebook app, just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to load like this. So wait for it to load. Okay. So now you have to log into your Facebook app. So you have to type in your mobile number or email and also your password. So as you can see, I have accounts over here. So this is what I'm going to use. So when you click on your account, what you have to, or when you log into your account, what you're going to see is this. So this is what you're going to see. So as you can see over here, Facebook has been fixed and page is running nicely the way it needs to run. Do you get me? So thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends who are finding it difficult to fix Facebook page not available. Do you get me, on the Facebook app? So thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye. You can also comment down below if you have any question to ask me, and I'm going to reply you within some few hours. Bye bye. See you in my next video.